If you buy a car with poor credit or no credit, you might have to use a cosigner to get a loan. A cosigner is a creditworthy individual who accepts legal and financial responsibility for the payments if you default on the loan. Basically, it's a person with good credit who trusts you and agrees to pay your debts if you can't pay them back, while a cosigner can be an immense help in getting an auto loan. The shared loan can become a burden for both parties as time passes. If your cosigner wants to be free from the loan, or you want to cut ties with them, you can try to remove them. Here's what to know about removing a cosigner from a car loan. Can you remove a cosigner from a car loan? It's possible to remove a cosigner from a car loan. It's not always easy though. Lending companies appreciate having a cosigner on a loan because it gives them extra reassurance that someone will pay them back. Removing your cosigner leaves just you to cover any late or missed monthly payments, so some lenders might make it difficult to remove the second person. Before you can remove a cosigner, you may have to prove that your finances and/or credit score have improved since getting the loan. Reasons to remove a cosigner. You might want to remove a cosigner for a variety of reasons, including changes in your relationship status. Many people turn to their significant others to cosign loans. After a divorce or breakup, you might need to remove that person from your car loan. If a family member or friend signed on your loan with you and you no longer have a relationship with them, removing them as a cosigner might help you become financially independent. Even if you're still close with the cosigner, sometimes removing them can help relieve undue strain from your personal relationship. Credit security. You might remove a cosigner to protect their credit or yours if the primary payer on the loan is experiencing financial hardship. A missed loan payment can lower the cosigner's credit score. The debt from your auto loan also lives on your cosigner's credit report. If they need to take on debt of their own, such as a personal loan or a mortgage, removing them from your loan might lower their debt-to-income ratio to help them qualify. Conversely, if your cosigner's credit is suffering, removing them from your loan could protect both of you financially. Improvements in credit. You might also decide to remove a cosigner because you simply no longer need them. For example, say you needed a parent to sign with you when you bought your car because you had no credit. In recent years, however, you've built up your credit and no longer need their support. If your credit is strong enough to support your car loan on your own, you may choose to remove the cosigner. 4 ways to remove a cosigner from an auto loan. There are several ways to remove a cosigner from your auto loan. You might consider speaking to your cosigner or your lending company to determine which option is the most appropriate for your situation. Here are the 4 main ways to remove a cosigner. Release the cosigner. Some banks and lending companies offer cosigner releases. Essentially, you fill out paperwork that officially transfers the entire loan into the primary borrower's name. However, it's not an option with every lender. While simply releasing the cosigner sounds like an easy option to you, most lenders don't want to do this. It puts them at risk, so they often make it challenging to request a cosigner release or decline requests altogether. Some require the cosigner to make a particular number of minimum monthly payments before they can qualify for a release. Check your car loan paperwork to see if your contract mentions a cosigner release as a possibility.